My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the MBA 4th semester subject Logistics and Supply Chain Management as prescribed by Osmania University and other universities of Telangana. We will go through the important questions and answers one by one. Let's begin with a quick revision. Exam strategy tips. Short questions usually test definitions and direct facts, revise keywords plus one example. Long questions demand clarity plus flow, include definition, explanation, example, conclusion. Watch Abed Sir's YouTube videos for clarity and exam-ready language. Unit 5 First important short question is Logistics Management. Logistics management means managing the flow of goods, services, and information from the point of origin to the customer in the fastest and cheapest way. It includes transporting goods by road, rail, air, sea, storing goods safely in warehouse, packing and delivering products properly, tracking orders and managing inventory. Simple example. Imagine an online order from Flipkart. From the warehouse to your doorstep, the whole process of picking, packing, shipping, and delivering the product is handled by logistics management. In simple words, logistics management is like a traffic manager for goods, making sure everything reaches the right place, on time, and safely. It saves time, reduces cost, and improves customer satisfaction. Next important short question is 3PL Third-Party Logistics. 3PL Third-Party Logistics means giving your logistics work to an outside company that handles the transport, storage, and delivery of goods. Companies use 3PL to save time, reduce costs, and focus on their core business. What does 3PL do? Warehousing, storing goods. Transportation, shipping products. Order fulfillment, picking, packing, and delivering. Simple example. When you order something on Amazon, the seller may not deliver it directly. Instead, Amazon uses 3PL partners like Delivery or Blue Dart to store and ship the product. The seller focuses on the product, and the 3PL company handles the delivery. In simple words, 3PL is like hiring a delivery expert to take care of your logistics while you run your business. It helps companies grow faster and smoother. Next important short question is 4PL Fourth-Party Logistics. 4PL Fourth-Party Logistics means hiring an expert company to manage your entire supply chain, including other logistics partners, like 3PL companies. A 4PL company doesn't just deliver, it also plans, manages, and controls all logistics activities from start to finish. What does 4PL do? Manages multiple 3PLs. Handles technology, planning, coordination. Controls inventory, transport, and suppliers. Simple example. A company like Unilever hires a 4PL service to manage all logistics. The 4PL hires 3PLs for shipping, warehouse for storage, and uses software to track everything. Unilever focuses on making products, and the 4PL runs the full supply chain. In simple words, 4PL is like a logistics boss who manages everything for you, planning, choosing delivery partners, and tracking goods. It gives total control and visibility to big companies. Next important short question is 4 functions of logistics management. Logistics management includes all the activities needed to move goods from the company to the customer in a safe, fast, and cost-effective way. Main functions. 1. Transportation, moving goods from one place to another. 2. Warehousing, storing goods safely until needed. 3. Inventory management, keeping the right amount of stock. 4. Order processing, managing customer orders correctly. 5. Packaging, protecting products during transit. 6. Material handling, safe movement of goods inside warehouse. 7. Customer service, ensuring on-time and damage-free delivery. Simple example. When you order a phone online, logistics handles everything from picking it from the warehouse to delivering it to your home, all safely packed. In simple words, logistics functions are like the heart of supply chain. They keep the goods flowing smoothly from the company to the customer. Next important short question is 5. Difference between logistics and supply chain management. Logistics and supply chain management, SCM, are related but not the same. Logistics is about the movement and storage of goods like transporting, warehousing, and delivering products. SCM is a broader concept. It covers everything from raw materials to the final customer, including logistics, production, purchasing, and customer service. Simple example. Think of a pizza delivery. Logistics, bringing ingredients, making the pizza, and delivering it to you. SCM, choosing suppliers, managing stock, making pizza, tracking orders, and getting customer feedback. So, logistics is one part of the full supply chain. In simple words, logistics is equal to moving goods. SCM is equal to complete journey from raw material to customer. SCM is the big picture, and logistics is the important piece inside that picture. Next Unit 1. Long questions. First important long question is Introduction to Logistics. Logistics is the process of planning, managing, and controlling the movement of goods, services, and information from the point of origin, like factories, to the final customer. In simple words, logistics ensures that the right product reaches the right place, at the right time, in the right condition, and at the lowest cost. Key elements of logistics. 1. Transportation, moving goods by road, rail, air, or sea. 2. Warehousing, storing goods safely until needed. 3. Inventory management, keeping the correct quantity of stock. 4. Order fulfillment, processing, and delivering customer orders. 5. Packaging, protecting goods during transport. 6. Material handling, safe movement of goods inside warehouse. Why is logistics important? Helps in faster delivery of products. Reduces overall costs. Increases customer satisfaction. Supports smooth supply chain operations. Builds a company's market reputation. Simple example. Imagine you order a laptop on Flipkart. Logistics handles everything from picking it at the warehouse, packing it properly, transporting it safely, and delivering it to your home on time. If any step fails, the customer becomes unhappy. Evolution of logistics. Old days, focus only on transportation and warehousing. Now, modern logistics uses technology like GPS tracking, AI, and real-time data to manage everything more efficiently. In simple words, logistics is like a delivery system that connects the company with its customers. It makes sure products move smoothly, safely, and smartly from factory to home. Without logistics, even the best product will not reach the customer. Next important long question is 2. Logistics management objectives. Logistics management is the process of planning, controlling, and handling the movement and storage of goods from the company to the customer. It is a major part of supply chain management. The main goal is to deliver the right product, at the right time, in the right condition, at the lowest possible cost. Key objectives of logistics management. 1. Customer satisfaction. The main aim is to make sure customers get their products on time and without damage. Happy customers come back again and again. Example, Amazon delivers products quickly and safely. That's why customers trust it. 2. Cost reduction. By using better planning, like route planning or proper warehousing, logistics management helps reduce transport and storage costs. Example, Big Basket reduces delivery costs by using nearby warehouse. 3. Efficient inventory management. Maintaining the right amount of stock, not too much, not too little, avoids wastage and shortage. Example, Flipkart uses smart systems to keep track of how many items are available. 4. Faster delivery. Timely delivery gives a company a competitive advantage and builds a strong brand. Example, Zomato and Swiggy succeed because they deliver food fast. 5. Better use of resources. Logistics ensures that trucks, warehouse, staff, and fuel are used efficiently, which saves time and money. 6. Flexibility and quick response. If there is a sudden change in demand, logistics should be able to adjust quickly. Example, during festive sales, companies increase delivery speed to handle extra orders. In simple words, logistics management is equal to smart delivery of goods. It focuses on speed, cost, safety, and satisfaction. A company's success depends not only on making good products but also on delivering them smartly. Next important long question is 3. Concept of logistics management. Logistics management is a part of supply chain management. It deals with the planning, execution, and control of the movement and storage of goods, services, and related information from the point of origin to the final customer. In short, logistics management ensures that the right product reaches the right customer at the right place, at the right time, in the right condition, and at the lowest cost. Main activities involved. 1. Transportation, moving goods by road, rail, air, or sea. 2. Warehousing, storing goods until they are needed. 3. Inventory control, managing stock to avoid over or under supply. 4. Order processing, managing customer orders smoothly. 5. Packaging, protecting goods during transport. 6. Information flow, tracking goods through technology like GPS. Simple example. Imagine you order a mobile phone from Flipkart. From the warehouse to your home, the process involves picking the product, packing it properly, shipping through courier, delivering on time. All of this is handled by logistics management. Importance of logistics management. Reduces cost of operations. Ensures timely delivery. Improves customer satisfaction. Builds trust and brand loyalty. Increases overall business efficiency. In simple words, logistics management is like a super efficient delivery system. It makes sure the product reaches the customer quickly, safely, and economically. A great product is not enough, it must reach the customer correctly. That's the power of logistics. Bonus tip for easy memory. Think of the 5 R's of logistics. Right product, right place, right time, right condition, right cost. Next important long question is 4. Role of logistics in supply chain management. Supply chain management, SCM, is the complete process of making a product and delivering it to the customer. Logistics is a major part of this process. Logistics handles the movement, storage, and delivery of goods. Without logistics, the supply chain cannot function properly. How logistics supports SCM? 1. Smooth flow of goods. Logistics ensures goods move from suppliers to factories, from factories to warehouse, and then to customers. 2. Timely delivery. On-time delivery improves customer satisfaction and brand image. 3. Inventory management. Logistics helps maintain just the right amount of stock, not too much, not too little. 4. Cost control. Smart logistics reduces transport and storage costs, which makes the product cheaper for customers. 5. Technology integration. Modern logistics uses GPS, barcodes, and tracking apps to monitor shipments in real time. Simple example. When you order a product from Myntra, the supply chain includes getting raw material, manufacturing the clothes, storing them in a warehouse, delivering them to your home. The delivery part is handled by logistics. It ensures the clothes are packed well, sent quickly, and delivered safely. Why logistics is important in SCM? It keeps the entire supply chain connected. It ensures right time, right place delivery. It reduces delays, damage, and customer complaints. In simple words, logistics is like the blood circulation in the body of supply chain management. Just like blood carries oxygen to all parts of the body, logistics carries goods to all parts of the market. No matter how good the product is, it must reach the customer on time. That's the power of logistics in SCM. Next important long question is 5. Difference between 3PL and 4PL with examples. In logistics, companies often take help from outside experts to manage deliveries and storage. These experts are called logistics service providers. There are two common types: 3PL, third-party logistics; 4PL, fourth-party logistics. Let's understand the difference in a simple way. 3PL, third-party logistics. 3PL means outsourcing transport, warehousing, and delivery to a logistics company. The business still controls the planning, but logistics work is done by the 3PL company. Example: a local shoe brand sells online. It uses delivery, a 3PL company, to store and deliver shoes to customers. Key point: 3PL does the delivery work. 4PL, fourth-party logistics. 4PL manages the entire logistics process including planning, managing 3PLs, tracking, technology, and reporting. The business gives full control to the 4PL company to manage all logistics activities. Example: a large company like Unilever hires a 4PL provider, like Accenture Logistics, to manage multiple 3PLs, warehouse, software, and full logistics operations. Key point: 4PL manages everything, including 3PLs. Major differences. Point: 3PL 4PL. Focus physical delivery entire logistics strategy. Responsibility transportation and storage full supply chain coordination. Control company keeps control 4PL takes full control. Example: Blue Dart, delivery Accenture, DHL supply chain. In simple words, 3PL is equal to delivery partner. 4PL is equal to logistics manager. 3PL helps you move goods. 4PL helps you run your logistics like a pro. Thank you for watching. For other subject important questions, quick revisions, recent question papers, syllabus, and all academic updates, separate links are provided in the description. Make sure to check them out.